Aging Aitken Robertson to courtroom number 2. The jury is back with a verdict. Members of the jury, how do you find the accused? Guilty or not guilty?
Not guilty on all accounts, Your Honor.
Welcome back to the Aitken Robertson Legally Speaking YouTube channel. I'm Melanie, and today we are deep diving into the realm of DUI and impaired cases with none other than Phil Stiles. Hi, Phil. Phil, today we will be discussing the not impaired defense in DUI and impaired cases that you've worked on. Could you walk us through what is involved in the defense that a client was not impaired?
Well, the starting point is to differentiate between impaired operation and exceeding 80 milligrams, being at or in excess of 80 milligrams of alcohol per 100 milliliters of blood. Defending against an impaired charge involves showing the court that you were not physically or cognitively impaired. It has less to do with whether or not you consumed alcohol or how much alcohol you consumed. It has more to do with whether any voluntary consumption of alcohol left you in an impaired state. Often a client will be charged and they'll be facing an impaired charge, and a lot of the indicia of impairment that they're showing through the police materials is actually an innate trait or a usual trait that they have. For example, someone with a speech impediment who is noted to be slurring his words may not have actually been impaired to the point where they were slurring their words. It could simply be their own disability. The Crown proving impairment has to do with showing the court that someone was either cognitively or physically for the purpose of operating what they call a conveyance now, which in most cases is a motor vehicle in terms of the cases we deal with. How do you fight an impaired driving charge? Well, one easy solution is all of the video recordings from the police station will capture your movements. In many instances where an officer's notes say that someone was staggering or someone stumbled, the police video will often vindicate them. We're getting a lot more body cam footage now from Durham Regional Police Service, and that helps protect the client as well, because that shows all the movements that are recorded at the roadside. Another defense is showing, because impairment isn't just physical impairment, it has to do with cognitive impairment as well. Often we'll have clients whose English is not their first language, and they rely on a translator often when they're dealing with matters in official capacity. Often their misunderstanding at the roadside with a police officer would be characterized as a form of impairment. So what do we do in court? We have the client take the stand and show the court that they either do have a natural slur or they do have an issue with understanding English, or run a police station video to show that someone was not staggering as they went up the stairs or as they entered the breath room. And so often in a case where there's already a problem with an exceed 80 count and an impaired charge is also laid, there's ways of raising a reasonable doubt about whether someone was physically or cognitively impaired at the relevant time.
Thank you so much, Phil, for all that information. And thank you everyone else for joining us today on the Legally Speaking Aitken Robertson YouTube channel. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Until next time, stay informed, stay engaged, take care. Thank you for tuning in to Legally Speaking, proudly brought to you by Aitken Robertson Criminal Defence. We represent clients facing criminal charges all over Ontario, providing you with legal support and dedicated advocacy. If you enjoyed this episode and want to see more content, please like and subscribe to our channel. For more information, visit our website. We also offer free books on various types of criminal charges, which you can request on our website or by using the QR codes on your screen now. For legal assistance, call us today or visit our website to request a meeting with one of our experienced lawyers or licensed paralegals. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time on Legally Speaking.